Hello everyone, welcome to Lantsun video time. Today we will show you two LED headlights for Harley. Both of them are the same size, 5.75 inch. Okay, and both with DOT and E-mark approved on the lights. DOT and E-mark. Okay, the power is is 40 watt. And they are with high-low beam DRL. Okay, first we show you the first lights of the high beam. Or the less lighting. And the low beam. Top 3 less. And the DRL. Okay. Next, we show you the lighting effect for the second model. Okay, first for high beam. It's very bright. Okay, and low beam. Okay, DIL. This light is with a full Halloween and turn signal. With a yellow turn signal. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye bye.